How to order GrabFood Cash on delivery. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can use cash as a payment method here in Grab. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. This could vary depending on the country you are by now. I want to let you know that here I'm using Grab in Philippines, and basically the payment method as cash is the default method. So let's suppose I want to order some food from McDonald's or from this store. I'm gonna add this, I'm going into my basket, and as you can see in the payment details, here I have cash. Obviously, once you have your delivery in your hands, you are gonna pay with your cash, and that's it. Don't forget, you can use some offers to get discounts, so you must go there and enter the promo or gift code in the bar. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can order some food here in the Grab app, paying with cash as a payment method. Thanks for watching.